Gendamark. Being a pioneer in automotive sector and assembly solutions, with Industry 4.0 initiative contributes a unique strength to its customers, achieving a fine balance between machines and manpower. Following the thought, we are introducing a new product in ODIN ecosystem, ODIN Ensure. A complete assurance solution built by Gendamark that helps companies achieve their goal of manufacturing and shipping products of the highest quality. In traditional quality check process, a standard QA checklist is printed and then operator performs and fills out standard checklist manually. This checklist is validated by QA personnel then stored in archive. In this process, drawbacks were identified as dependency on QA personnel, fixed QA process, unorganized data management. ODIN Ensure eliminates these drawbacks. The system inspects and verifies the product through various critical process. ODIN Ensure is a functionality of ODIN Workstation. Ensure coordinate with PLC system and uses machine data for analysis and report generation. The ODIN Workstation guides the operator, controls the process sequence and is connected to various field devices. One of the critical process in manufacturing is the pre-delivery inspection, with all data generated during the QA procedure being compiled, organized, and securely stored on Ensure, allowing upper management to verify and take actions if needed. By integrating our latest technologies, ODIN Ensure assembles data and validates the process and product. ODIN Ensure also has an Android application that enables seamless transfer between Workstation and ODIN Terminal, helping our customers work smarter and ultimately resulting in better overall performance of production line. Presenting ODIN Ensure.